Leap years are fascinating phenomena that occur every 4 years, adding an extra day to our calendar in February. This rare occurrence has captured human curiosity for centuries, leading to various traditions, superstitions, and even legal and financial implications. But how does the concept of leap years intersect with the world of signage? For businesses, leap years present unique opportunities to enhance their marketing strategies and engage with their audience in creative ways. Signage plays a crucial role in capturing attention, conveying messages, and driving customer action. Here's how leap years can influence signage practices. Promotions and campaigns. Many businesses leverage leap years to launch special promotions and marketing campaigns. Signage such as banners, posters, and decals can be designed to highlight these promotions and attract customers' attention. Event signage. Leap years often coincide with various events and celebrations. Whether it's a corporate event, community gathering, or special sale, signage is essential for providing directions, communicating event details, and creating a festive atmosphere. Seasonal signage refresh. The occurrence of a leap year can serve as a reminder for businesses to refresh their signage and update their branding strategies. The American graphic contractors provide professional installation services for new signage installations or updates, helping businesses maintain a fresh and modern look. Opportunity for innovation. With an extra day in the calendar, businesses have more time to plan and execute innovative marketing strategies. This includes experimenting with new signage formats, incorporating interactive elements, or exploring unconventional locations for signage placement. AGC's expertise in signage installation ensures that businesses can bring their creative ideas to life seamlessly. Long-term planning. While leap years may seem like rare occurrences, businesses can use them as opportunities for long-term planning. AGC offers signage solutions that are durable, weather-resistant, and designed to withstand the test of time, ensuring that businesses can continue to benefit from their signage investment well beyond the leap year. In conclusion, leap years offer businesses a chance to think outside the box and leverage signage as a powerful marketing tool. AGC is committed to helping businesses navigate the world of signage with expertise, professionalism, and creativity. Contact us today to learn more about our signage solutions and how we can support your marketing efforts, whether it's during a leap year or any other time. Visit us at www.americangraphiccontractors.com for more information.